Good morning, good morning. I hope you guys are feeling amazing. I woke up on the right side of the bed and it's feeling lovely. I wanted to walk you guys through what I do for my hydration and my scalp conditioning when I have my hair braided. The products that I use today is OGX, the coconut oil. I am going to pat it into my scalp, making sure that I'm not messing up any of the braid sectioning. I'm using the blow dryer on high heat just to kind of stimulate the scalp to activate the product in there. Then I'm going to use my rose water. It's Mario Badescu, I think you pronounce it like that, on my face just for a little hydration. I've already washed my face, but it's just some added hydration. Spray this all over my scalp again. I want to keep it moisturized. Next, I have my Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum. I'm just using that about an inch away from my scalp, from the braids all the way down. The synthetic mixture of the hair tends to get dry, so you just want to make sure that you're hydrating it back so it looks nice and shiny. For my edges, I use Style Factor. This product is amazing because it doesn't leave any residue. I work out a lot, so I tend to sweat, and I don't want to have to wash my hair all the time. So this allows me to have my baby hairs laid, honey. Look at that. Oh, yes. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing morning and happy Saturday.